Hi, today I'll be showing you how to make an origami ninja star.
First, start off with 2 sheets of paper. Then fold the paper in half. Unfold. Fold the bottom to the center. Rotate the paper. Repeat the same step on this side too. Fold the entire shape in half. Now take the right corner and fold it down. Now take the left corner and fold it up. Now take the right corner and fold the right half up. Now take the left corner and fold the left side down. Make sure that there are no gaps in between. Now you have a completed piece in your ninja star. Fold this paper in half as well. Unfold. Now take the bottom and fold up to the center. Rotate the paper. Repeat the same step. Fold the whole shape in half. This time, take the right corner and fold it up. Now take the left corner and fold it down. Now take the right corner and the right side and fold it down. Now take the left corner and the left side and fold it up. Now you have completed the second piece to your ninja star. Make sure both pieces have a diagonal line in the center. This is facing up. Make sure the top corners face the same direction. Do so by flipping one over. Now take the piece facing up and place it horizontally on the piece facing down. The piece without the line is facing down. Take the bottom corner and fold it up while holding both pieces. Unfold. Now lift up one flap of the other piece. Fold the white piece in. Fold the other flap back to where it originally was. Rotate the pieces. Fold the bottom flap up. Lift the flap on top up. Fold the white piece inside. Fold the flap back on top. You should see a checkerboard pattern. Now flip the pieces over. Take the bottom flap and fold it up. Unfold. In the piece on top, you will see a small pocket inside the middle line. Lift that pocket up. Place the bottom flap inside the pocket. Rotate the pieces. Lift up the pocket. Take the bottom flap and put it inside the pocket. Here is another example in slow motion. Horizontally place the piece facing up with the middle line on it. Underneath should be the white piece, which is facing down. Take the bottom flap and lift it up. Fold it in place, and then unfold. Lift up the flap on top. Place the bottom flap in. Then fold the top flap back in place. Now rotate the shape. Lift up the top flap. Fold the bottom flap in place. Fold the top flap back down to its original place. Again, you will see a checkerboard pattern. Flip the shape over and you will see a piece with a middle line in it. In the middle line, you will see a little pocket. Fold the bottom flap up. Then fold the bottom flap into the pocket. Rotate the shape. Lift up the pocket on the middle line. Lift up the pocket and place the bottom flap in the middle line. Now you have a completed ninja star.